Hello again and welcome. Mike Bath, Field Engineer with BK Technologies here. In this video, we'll be going over more information on using BKRplay InteropONE. Before we dive in, let's first go over the difference in different user levels. We'll begin with a primary user, which will be the perspective from which this video is made. The primary user has the capability to create incidents and the capability to invite standard and primary users within their organization to an event as well as add guest users. By contrast, a standard user has the capability to create incidents, but does not have the ability to add guest user. A guest user is effectively a user created specifically for one incident who is not within the organization on InteropONE. These users can only be added by primary users and only have the ability to chat and push to talk. And with that out of the way, let's look at the Incidents tab. This tab is the tab which will greet all users when they're logging into BKRplay, as mentioned in our previous video. This screen shows all incidents the user presently has access to and allows for expedient joining and disconnecting from those incidents. A primary or standard user will have the ability to create incidents by clicking the New Incident button in the top right corner of the screen. This will take the user to the Create Incidents screen. From this screen, a standard or primary user will then enter a name for the incident, select other InteropONE subscribers from within the user's organization, a primary user will then be given the opportunity to add guest users from the guest list. If the desired individual is not currently in the guest list, select Add Guest in the top right corner of the screen, and the primary user now has the option to add guests from their phone book or manually. This user will be remembered in the current user's guest book until deleted. A standard user will not be given these options. We're not going to add any guests today, so we'll move on. Selecting the Create Incident button will then create the incident and return the user to the main screen Incident tab. Our incident has been created and it is visible on our main screen. From here, we can tap Join to join the incident, and then select the incident again to be taken to the Incident Details screen. We'll press back to return to the main Incidents tab without disconnection from our current incident for now. The next screen we'll explore is the Subscribers tab. This tab is not available to guest users, but displays a list of subscribers currently within your organization. You can filter by users, and tapping on a user's avatar displays the user's phone number, email address, and position. Tapping on a user's name will take you to the private chat screen to allow you to send private messages to the selected user. You can also filter by groups here, and tapping on the name of the group will take you to the group chat screen. Returning to the main incident tab, next we'll investigate the chat tab by selecting chat from the bottom of our screen. On the main chat screen, you'll see a list of current or previous chats if the user has any. This includes both private chats created from the subscriber screen and group chats. To create a new ad hoc group chat with more than one user, select the Add Chat button from the top right of the screen. Enter the name to be used for the chat, and then select other InteropONE subscribers within your organization. You will be required to select more than one. To do a single one-on-one chat, please use the subscriber screen as previously mentioned. Upon selecting Done, the user will be taken to the group chat window. Backing back out to the main incident screen, the last tab we have to discuss is the More tab. On this tab, the user has access to various functions. Primary users have access to the guest list, which allows for management of past guests, or removing them from your guest lists. Only non-active guest users can be removed from the list, which means they cannot be participating in any active incident. Settings allows the user to manage various personal settings and gather info about the application. Log out will log the user out of InteropONE entirely, which will require completing the login process from our previous video when next launching the application. Disconnect will simply close the app, but leave the user logged in. Now that we've completed our overview, it's time to terminate the incident we created. To do so, simply select the incident that we created earlier to be taken to the Incident Details screen, and then tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and tap Terminate Incident. confirm by pressing Proceed. And then the user is returned to the main incident screen, and all participating users within the InteropONE application are notified. If the InteropONE application is not in the foreground for a participating user, they will not be notified. The incident is also removed from all participants' incidents tab. With that, our overview is complete. We hope you found this video helpful, and you'll consider clicking the like button and subscribing to the BK Technologies YouTube channel to stay up to date on all BK Technologies information. Have a wonderful day.